Good morning, handsome. Good morning. We get a good smile this morning. Oh, thank you, honey. Good boy. Good morning, Gibbs. Good morning. Oh, Hutch just gave us a smile. Good morning, Gibbs. Oh, Hutch is giving lots of smiles this morning. Good job, Hutch. Good job. Can we give that good Elvis lip flip, Gibbs? Oh, good job. Good boy. You get one because you gave us a good smile. All right, Gibbsy. Got another one in there. Another good smile. Just try to chew, Mom. There you go. Good boy. What about you, Hutch? We get another good lip flip. You get another good lip flip. I'm eating too, Mom. Lip flip. There you go. Good boy. Manny, where you going? There's Manny. He is on super guard duty today. You are on super guard duty. You're just watching everything. Can we get a... Oh, that sun. Get a Manny smile. Can we get a Manny smile? Well, we gotta see them teeth first. There we go. There you go. You always seem to tilt your head. And it's usually in the wrong direction. Hey, sweetheart. Very good. Good Manny smile. Over here. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hello. Hello, Hutch. Hello, Gibbs. Yes. I know. Just a minute. Well, Mom will get your heart-shaped tree in just a minute. We gotta have another smile from Ranger. We gotta have another smile from Ranger. Oh, you talking this morning? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it when you talk to Mama. Oh, another big smile. Hold on. Let me get the apple out. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. For anybody who is not making our lives at night, y'all, we are so close. We got some more donations. We are about up to here now. We are just short of our goal for Feline. So you guys are so amazing. We love y'all so much. And I will have that updated by tonight, by our live tonight. Oh, there's your tummy biscuit in honor of Sissy. So I will definitely have that updated and by our live tonight. So if you haven't caught our lives before, we go live almost every night about between 6:30 and 7 o'clock Eastern time. We are in Michigan. There's the Mafia. There's the Doodle Mafia. All right, so we got a heart-shaped treat for Gibbs. We always have a heart-shaped treat for our heart-shaped nose. There you go, Manny. Gibbs, you had yours, sir. You're not being patient today. And there's one for Hutch. So from the Doodle Mafia, we have Hutch. He's our strong silent type. He's the muscle. Got Manny. Manny, he's the boss. And then we've got little Gibbsy. Gibbs, he's not so little no more. Gibbs is the baby. He's only about 1.5 years old. He'll be 2 in August. And he's the wise guy. So he's our baby. He's the baby. That is our Doodle Mafia. That is the Doodle Mafia out soaking up some of the sunshine this morning. It's rained for the last 3 days here in Michigan, so we are enjoying the sunshine, aren't we, boys? Yes. Enjoying that sunshine. And then we've got Ranger, Sir Lix-a-Lot. So, happy hump day, everybody. Ranger. And from all of us here at As the Stall Turns, we say good morning. We love you, and we hope everybody has a very blessed day.